Alright, so we are walking because the car will not start. And we are hungry because there's no food in the house. So, we are walking to Taco Bell to get some good food. Wow. As you can see, I'm repping Green Bay. In Texas. Yeah. But I will get back to you guys later.